Hi friends, welcome to another shopping haul video. This is going to be a Dollar Tree haul. I am so excited to share this with you because it has some fun things for Easter. Some things for Easter. Some really inexpensive cleaning supplies. Yeah, and some other stuff. So I'm really excited because... Alright, as I was saying, I'm really excited because I have contacted a YouTuber who has far more subscribers than me. Like, I mean, a lot more subscribers than me. And I was just going to throw it out there to her and ask her, hey, do you want to do a spring cleaning collab with me? And she actually got back to me and said she'd love to. So I'm really excited. I hope it works out because I just like... I don't know, I'm mind blown because I'm like, oh, are you serious? Because I love her. I'm not gonna say who it is until I know for sure everything is set in stone that we're doing that. But I am so excited because I have been subscribed to her for a very long time and she's one of my favorite YouTubers, and I'm not just saying that because she's gonna be doing this with me, but I got a lot of fun cleaning supplies because I think my spring cleaning is gonna be about budget friendly spring cleaning, so it's good for everybody. Everybody could afford to do it. I'm gonna probably have some of my like Grove Collaborative stuff in there too, but I'm gonna try to make it as affordable as possible for the people that don't do Grove or cannot afford to spend $3 for a cleaning spray and can only afford to get something from the Dollar Tree. I want to make it so everyone can enjoy it. So yeah, that is a future video coming up. I'm really excited. Really excited to do a collab with her. So, but yeah. So anyways, let me get right to what I got because I'm just so excited. All right. So first I'm going to show you this. I've already been drank like more than half of it or half of it. But this is my favorite drink to get at the Dollar Tree. They have like the jumbo size with a sports spout. And it's always in the fridge so it's cold, ready for my absolute flavor. It's Glacier Cherry. I get it from the Dollar Tree. I love that they keep it in the fridge. It's nice and cold for me. And it's only $1. You know, seriously. Can't win beyond that. All right, and now let's get to the other things. I got this container. I got the black clear ones. I got 2 of them in my last Dollar Tree haul, but I got the clear one and I'm gonna be using this for something related to my spring cleaning. So yeah, you'll have to watch that video if you're curious on what I'm doing with that box. I really like that box. I love the size of it. I love the fact it has a lid. Yep, I love it. All right, also I got this. They do have the like Scrubbing Bubbles brand, but there's only 1 of them in there, and I was like, I'm gonna try this. There's 2 packets, blue and bleach. You put it in the toilet. It's supposed to help keep it clean, so I got this. They were out of... It really sucks because I really like to get their disinfecting wipes that they have, the Dollar Tree brand, because you get quite a bit of them. They were out of them, so I got, so I got this right here. It's Clorox disinfectant wipes. There's only 15 in here, but I'm going to be using this in that video. Again, stay tuned. And then I got this right here. It is an 8-pack of the nitrile gloves. Is that how you pronounce it? But you get an 8-pack of these blue gloves. I'm going to be using this in my video as well. I also got a 2-pack of these for the like soap dispensing scrubby sponge thingies. I got a 2-pack of these for this because I got another one but needs a new head, so I got that. But then I got this one. I don't know if this will fit on this one because this is the Brillo brand. I'm not sure, but I'm going to be using 2 different ones for 2 different things. So I got this there as well, the Brillo brand soap dispensing scrubber. Let's see, do I have anything else that is... I think I might. All right, so I also got this right here. I don't know if it's any good, so if you have tried this, let me know in the comment section. But I got this for Trixie's tank because I cannot get the calcium buildup off of it no matter what I do. So I got this right here. It is a Rust Lime and Calcium remover from the LA's Totally Awesome brand that they have at the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna try this out. Hopefully it works, and of course clean it up afterwards with like a squeegee thing that I also got from the Dollar Tree, but I got that a while back ago. And also clean it with natural cleaner because I don't want to have any chemicals in there with her since she's an aquatic turtle and all. I don't want her swimming in chemicals, you know? And then I got this right here. It's from the Renews It brand. It's Tahitian Breeze. It smells amazing. I'm gonna have this probably in my bathroom, but it smells really good. I also got this right here. It's from Airwick. It's a 6-in-1. Has essential oils in it. It's white lilac and orange blossom fragrance. It says premium fragrance, eliminates odors, acts in seconds, lasts up to an hour, propelled by 100% filtered air, and inspired by essential oils. So yeah, I hope inspired by essential oils. I don't know if it's actually natural, but I doubt it is. But anyways, but yeah, this actually smells really good. I sprayed it in the store to see if it smelled better than the other one, and I love it. I'm so glad I got this. All right, I also got this body wash for Mike. It's Arm & Hammer Essentials Ultra Moisturizing Body Wash with Soothing Baking Soda. I'm not sure about that, but it's dye-free, paraben-free, and vegan, and it's the scent Simply Fresh, and there's 50% more than normal, I guess, but it smells really good, so I hope he likes it. It's a big haul, you guys. I spent like $27, $26, I think $27, I'm not sure, but I got this cup. I'm obsessed with cups. I know, I have a problem, but I love this color, as y'all already know. But I really liked about this is that it has a spout for a straw. You can see that very good. Yeah, a spout for a straw. I really liked it. I thought it would be really convenient and it fits in like any cup holder. So I really liked the color of it, and I bought that for myself. I picked up some chocolate syrup because we are running low. Got that for Mr. Riley. He loves his chocolate milk. That's like his favorite thing ever. I saw these here. See, saw these there. It's new. It's from Crayola. It's glitter crayons. I thought it'd be really fun to put in Riley's Easter basket. So yeah, glitter crayons. And then there's a bunch of different types of these. I wish I took a picture and just put it on this video for you guys, but it's really cool. It's from Lock Stars. I've never heard of them before, but it looks kind of fun and cute. This is what I have in here. There's like a mystery lock star, I guess, in here in that white package. But yeah, little doggy. I thought it was really cute. I got this for Riley's Easter basket as well. And something I saw there which was really awesome. I don't know if I'm saving money getting it from the Dollar Tree or if I would going to Walmart. I'm not sure. But I got 4 things of Play-Doh. But they're not just any ordinary Play-Doh. They're the kind that has like sprinkles in them. So I got yellow. So you can see the sprinkles in that. Actual Play-Doh. Oh crap, I wasn't supposed to see that. Yeah, wait for the Easter time. I also got in pink with sprinkles. See? Pink.
No, pink.
Hold on. He might get that now instead of Easter. He doesn't take naps for me. He just doesn't. I would have done this video if he was napping, but he's not. And then I got white with sprinkles. And then I also got blue Play-Doh with sprinkles. You can see that. But yeah, it's really cool.
Me!
I know. You want to hold on to these? Go ahead. They're going to go for his Easter basket. He might forget about it. I might just put it in his Easter basket.
2.
Here, those ones too. I'll let him play with it for now. I'm not going to let him open them yet though. And then I got this pink basket. I don't have any of the spring colored like organizing baskets at my Dollar Tree. It's like, why am I like having a horrible Dollar Tree? This really sucks. But that's how it is. Oh, he wants me to open it now. Okay, hold on. Wait till Mommy's done with her video and then I'll do it, okay? Okay, so I saw this one like spring color thing, and it is a pink. I don't even know if it's spring color, but it looks like it is. But it's a pink basket. I thought it'd be really nice to keep something maybe in my bathroom, under the sink, or in my bedroom. I'm not sure. I might even get one for Jaden too for some of her things. I should have got another one. Dang it. But yeah, I got this, and it's like kind of flexible, and I love the pink. It's really pretty. And then I also got, this looks really good. Like, this is the first I've ever seen this, and it's carbonated blueberry flavored lemonade. See, look at this. Like, I love it. It's just, it looks really good. Blueberry lemonade. If you've tried this, let me know if you like it, because I think it looks really delicious. All right, and then I got some things for Riley's bedroom. They have like some baby decor there now, which is really cool. But I love dinosaurs. And I got this sign right here. It says, "Let the world hear you roar." So it's just like their typical. I like that it has a spot for like a little nail on there. But I love that, "Let the world hear you roar." And then I also found another dinosaur one. By the way, if you're wondering why I'm not wearing any makeup, it's because I am taking a break from makeup today because my skin has been acting kind of funny. And then I saw this one. It says, "Hello, little handsome." Oh, so cute. So cute. Sorry, my nails are dirty. I have been cleaning the house like, well, can't really tell in the background, but cleaning other parts of the house today. And so my nails are pretty nasty right now. And then last but not least, I got this for him to kind of go with the whole set. There's like 3 different types of dinosaur wall hooks, but this was my favorite. So I grabbed this one. Little wall hook. It was really cute. It says it holds up to 6.6 pounds. I'm not sure because one of them there, this right here, one of these was broken off. So I really don't know how legit that is. But I figure like maybe hold one of his hats and one of his hoodies maybe. But I probably won't put his backpack on it. But I thought it was really, really cute. Little dinosaur one. But yeah, that is my Dollar Tree haul, you guys. I am so excited about this spring cleaning video. I really hope it works out. I hope that it all goes through and we do this together, because I am so excited to share you guys with her, and hopefully I can make some new some friends on YouTube as well. And yeah, I'm really excited. I really hope it all turns out really good, because I really love her. Like, I've been subscribed to her, like I said, for a long time, and I can't wait till I know for sure everything's going right, so I can tell you guys exactly who it is. But I am so excited. Oh, I'm so excited. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. I need more friends. And yeah, thank you for watching, and please leave me a like. All right, thank you guys. I will be posting more videos because I have more things to share with you. So I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye now.
Stepping out, it's Friday night. How I'm longing for this